What's up guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose any problem if you have a Samsung device. All right, so if you have a Samsung device, in this video you will find how to diagnose any problem with your device. Okay, so for this actually you need to go to the settings, okay, and then let's go to the top, right, and then scroll down, okay, and then until you find device care, tap on that one, right, scroll down, and then diagnostics. Okay, so here you can find the diagnostics available here, right, and tap on that one, right, and then you have three options available here. The first one is the phone diagnostics. Okay, check if your phone's functions are working properly, right, so everything available here. The list is long, okay, so I've already done for like a couple of them, like the battery status, the NFC, SIM, Wi-Fi, and vibration. Okay, so for the others, if you want to check if they're like working properly with no problem, right, just tap on that one, right, and then it will check, the device will itself will check it for yourself, right. Now for the vibration, let's just try again, all right, for an instance. Okay, so testing the vibration. Okay, let's see. All right, so tap the vibrate button below to check if your phone vibrates normally. Okay, vibrate. Yes, it is vibrating. I mean, normally, all right, there is no problem, right? After it finishes, okay, it gives you, did your phone vibrate normally? Yes, and that's it. Let's go back, all right, and do something else. So it's up to you. You can choose, I mean, the thing that we can say, the function that you want to, all right, to check on your device. And I mean, the list is like, we say covers most of them, all right? Now let's go back, right, and see, right, the previous ones, okay? All right, which is the app battery usage diagnostics. Okay, so this one will check for apps that quickly use up battery. All right, so there is no actually app detected, right, using too much battery. That is a really good news here, right? And the other one is the app safety diagnostics. Okay, so it checks for apps that can reduce your phone's performance and security. You'll tap on that one. And of course, the good news here as well is that I have no app safety issues detected here, all right? And that's it. So for this one, guys, as I told you before, right, you need to go to the settings, okay, and then scroll down to the device care, right, tap on that one, and then the diagnostics. I mean, this feature is really cool, all right, for you guys, for Samsung users, okay, to check if your device has any problem, all right. You can do it yourself, and the device will help you with that, right. Hope this one is, this video was helpful for you guys. Please, if you have like friends like holding Samsungs in their hands, share with them, right, so that they get benefit from this video, right. And please consider subscribing our channel to see more videos like this one. See you next time.